How to trim and cut videos in VN Video Editor. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open VN on your device. Then click on New Project at the top. Select the video you want to trim. After you've selected the video, you'll find it in here. Now click on your video in the timeline. Then click on Trim at the bottom. After that, you can drag the yellow line on the left side if you want to trim the last part. If you want to trim the first part, you can drag it on the right side. After you're done, press on the tick mark. And if you want to cut the video, drag the white line where you want to cut, and at the bottom you will find split. Click on split. After that, as you can see, your video has been splitted. And this is how to trim and cut videos in VN. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.